Live chat is where the party is at in your bot. Whenever someone interacts with your Messenger bot, those conversations either get stored in the live or the done live chat folders. If the chat is explicit, meaning someone types in a message that's outside of a flow that you've built, those are going to pop up into your live chat so that you as a chatbot manager or an admin are going to be able to handle that subscriber's needs in a live chat environment. While you may have built out your Messenger bot to automate most scenarios and most common questions, there's always going to be a need to talk to a human. Some people just prefer to talk to a human. Also, if you sell high ticket price services or products, it might actually become part of your funnel to push customers into a live chat scenario so that you're better able to take them from lead into a sale and make them feel good about buying your products and services. Live chat is an excellent way to make your messenger marketing more personalized and make your end user feel like they're truly being taken care of because it gives them the option to speak with a human when they want to. Now, in the previous video, I showed you all about keywords and how we took Mary's keywords to direct people right into a live chat with a human. So let me go ahead and jump into ManyChat and show you around the dashboard so that you have a better understanding of all the bells and whistles of live chat. As mentioned before, there are two folders, open and done. If you don't see a conversation in the open folder, it's going to be in the done folder. By default, conversations do go into the done folder automatically, but in your settings, you can control where your conversations land. So you just go into your settings, live chat, and you select your live chat behaviors. A new chat is open in live chat with any messages from a user. Besides those conversations started from keywords, when the conversation should be open explicitly as set up when creating the keyword. Now, if you have a pro account, you can also personalize conversations in your bot by clicking the Show Team Member Profile picture. This is handy in helping people build trust with your team as they recognize a real human is chatting with them. It also helps larger teams better organize live chats to best support the end user. Let me show you around the live chat screen. When you enter the live chat screen, you can see the end user's profile, which includes their photo, the subscription status, any tags that they might have included, if they've subscribed to any sequences, how they opted into your Messenger bot in the first place, and of course, any custom fields that you might have saved for that end user. You'll also be able to see the live chat box where you'll be able to respond to the user. You can also pause any automation as you are talking to an end user so that any automations that you have like keywords will not trigger while you have a live chat open. The pause automation will start automatically when you start chatting with this particular user. But anytime you can also pause the automation by clicking here. And if you want to stop the timer and go right back into any automations and stop live chat, just click the X. Lastly, you can unsubscribe a user at any time by clicking unsubscribe and confirm. The live chat feature is an excellent way to stay in touch with your subscribers and give them personalized attention when they reach out.